Always get it started. And I so bossy, and I so I'm independent, got my own. And I can fuck some cash up if I want. Fuck it up, body cold, frosty, and I'm so bossy, and I so saucy, and my clothes cost me.
Okay, hello you guys. I know this is different from y'all seeing me like this, but today I am going to be doing a mukbang. And it's just, you know, some food, some homemade food. So we got some pork chops, some cheddar, broccoli and rice, and some corn. Can't see it, but it's on a piece of bread. Hey, and 7-Up. So, as y'all know, I be trying to do my modeling stuff, and like every little modeling casting call I see on Instagram, I try to make it too, because I'm like trying to do my modeling stuff for real this time, like serious, than just like taking pictures and stuff. So it's one coming up anyway. I was thinking about that. I'll see that. It's coming up. September 1st and the 2nd. So, which means I need to be preparing myself for that. All I gotta do is say, if y'all have a dream in your heart, that's what you want to do, go ahead and chase it. Chase that dream. Even if people say you can't do it, you know how I like to do it. Just be quiet, let them talk, prove them wrong, show them. They're gonna be feeling real stupid after that. I had that applesauce right here in case I need some more. You know, this pork chop is good. I made that damn great. But yes. You know, my goal is, my dream is modeling and stuff. After that, I've been thinking about like probably starting like a clothing line or whatever. You know, something because I just like fashion and clothes so much. I like my style and stuff. Make a lot of clothing lines. Stay tuned for that, because I will be doing that. I don't want to see nobody fail or nothing. I want everybody to be successful and just be great in life. I hate haters, bullies, all that. I feel like people should just let people be themselves, let them be great. And stuff. Because that's all I want to see for you guys to be is successful in life and to do whatever y'all want to do in life. Even if your parents don't agree with you. You know? Because you have to do what's best for you. It is not their life, it's your life. Do what makes you happy. And that's all I'm trying to do. For real. And do what makes me happy. Live successfully. Have a great life. I just be good at life. But anyways, you know, let me know where you guys are from too. By the way, how old are y'all? When is y'all birthdays and stuff? And what y'all would like to see me do on my channel for you guys. But I'll be back. I've been having a cold for like the past, I say few days, so that's another reason why I haven't been making a video. It's kind of going away now, so I don't know if my voice still sounds hoarse or whatever. But it's tough. Hopefully it'll be gone by tomorrow. Because I really don't like being sick or having a cold or anything. But my skinny butt is getting full now. My stomach fat. Y'all want to see it? But for real, just be great in life and do what makes y'all happy for real. But I think I'm about to stop eating because my stomach is really looking fat. But watch this, y'all. Is it good shot? No, it ain't good shot. Ain't good shot. But it's fat. It's fat right now. That's a like looking like that from the sides. Oh, excuse me, that's not like I just took a leak. Burp. And I just cough. But anyways, like I was saying, I don't want to see y'all do nothing but be great in life. Go to school, finish high school, if you feel like college ain't for you, like I want to say don't go to college, but at least go to college, try it, and if it's not for you, then you know don't go. But at least I would say at least go and try it for real. I don't want to give nobody no bad advice or nothing, but at least just go and try college. And, you know, if it's not for you, then it's not for you. But high school, yes, do that. Enjoy being a child too, because these adult days are really something. I wish I was still a kid half of the time. Like, it's crazy. But anyways, because I think camera can all about me with my phone. Anyways. Oops. Well, oh my goodness. All I gotta say is finish school. That might be finish school. Be successful in life. Do what you want. Chase your dreams. Follow your dreams. Don't let nobody tell you different. And just continue being you. That's the best thing. Just be you. That's all you can be. Because being somebody else or trying to pretend to be somebody else is really not going to work. So just be you. Because you are an amazing person. Just anyway, so like I said, don't let nobody tell you anything different. And I will see y'all in my next video. I'm getting full now, and I'm not going to be able to eat this and talk to you guys for the rest. But if you like this video and you want me to do more mukbangs or just, you know, give me some topics and I can talk to y'all about like good advice and stuff like that and what to do and what not to do, leave them down in the comment below and I can talk about it to you guys, because I have like a lot, like been through a lot, so I can give y'all some advice or whatever. So yes, I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And we're out, Rory Gang. Bye.
I live my day as if it was the last.